Hello friend, this is Joska, and Joska goes all the way, this road goes all the way to Joska town, and upwards it goes to Nairobi. So and this road is called Kangundo Road, one of the busiest roads, and there's a river up there which I want to show you, that we call ATHI river. It is one of the rivers that is normally very much flooded during the rainy season, and they were doing some repairs. So I just want to show you some of the repairs that were done. You just get to see how they are. Yeah, so you can see this is Kangundo Road, a very busy road. You can also check my other videos that I've done, which shows different places in Joska. So kindly come and join me as I show you the updates of ATHI, because it was really made. So remember to subscribe. This is Moving Wheels. I'm bringing you these details, so make sure that you subscribe. Come, let's walk together. Before you reach the ATHI river, there is a way bridge here called Kamulu Virtual Way Bridge. You can see it. Yeah, so this is the first thing you see when entering Joska. Yes. So I'm also noting that they are trying to create an exit road. I don't know whether they want to do it not virtually. They're trying to create an exit road towards the Weighing Bridge over there. So we'll see what develops from here. So friends, we are here. This is the repairs that have been going on for this particular area of this river. There was a lot of damage that was being done by the rains that were there. You can see the river from that side. This is ATHI river. So they have done very nice repairs, and that is what I want to show you. The river comes from that other side going all the way. So you can see the way they have done very good repairs, putting up these gabions and just making sure that this road is well cemented. You can see here. Yeah, so they have done a very good job according to the way so you can be able to see they have done all these repairs. Quite nice. I think this is quite commendable, just to make sure that these pillars are really well held up. You can see. So yeah, so when it rains, water would flow all the way to all these places. So this is just a small bridge. Yeah, so you can see. Now if you watch some of my previous videos about this place, you'll be able to see you will see that this huge bridge, water flows all the way. I mean when I'm here, I always wonder where all this water comes from. But when it rains and water comes from the other side of the river, the water is able to, or water overflows all the way, and it covers all these areas. Yeah, I just want to show you how it looks like. Yeah, so just come with me. Thank you. We still have some waters kidogo sana. Yeah, so they were able to repair those places. You can see all this just to reinforce the bridge, to make sure that it's very firm. Yeah, so you can see all this. So yeah, so this is ATHI river for you. It flows from the other side of Mombasa Road, from ATHI river town, all the way. This river goes all the way, and is a seasonal river, so no water. But when it is rainy season, I'm telling you, for you to be able to pass through here, you can see where the vehicles are passing up there. Where you can see the vehicles, the water overflows actually. Kindly check my videos and you'll see how it happens. So I'm just going down the bridge. So this is the ATHI bridge. If water was here, I would not have passed through here. So you can see quite high, quite high, and I'm here. So you can see this is quite very high. I don't know how many meters. You can see quite high. So the vehicles are passing up there. So yeah, and water comes and fills all this place, all this. Yeah. So there's some measurements here that show them water levels. I'm not sure whether you're able to see them. Yeah, so water fills all this place. So they did some repairs, as I've told you, and you can see, look at this. This is quite good. So they did some repairs just to make sure that this bridge is firm. Yeah, all this. Yeah, because you know rains always come and yeah, so they did all this. Yeah, very nice. So let's go back to the river as I continue showing you the repairs. Yeah. So like I told you, this is a seasonal river, so water flows all through these streams, comes to join this place. So the river for you without water. There is no water, but when it rains, I'm telling you, my friends, you cannot be able to walk through here. The water comes from up there. It's normally all over, flows and then overflows this bridge. Overflows this bridge. Yes. It just overflows this bridge. Yeah. So it comes like this. We still have some water flowing, but not a lot. Quite a little bit of it. Yeah. So I'm not sure whether I'll get a place to go over the other side. Yes. So these are other repairs. These are other repairs that were done. So quite nice. I think I like the way they have done it. These are some of the pieces of wood that were ferried from up there. So people are also trying to get some firewood. You can see the repairs. So these ones are the ones that had been damaged, so they were able to do away with them and then reinforced a very good foundation. Yeah. These pieces of wood are the trees that were uprooted during the rainy season. You see people are cutting them. And this one here, you can see, good for firewood. Yeah. It's also good for me to mention that we normally have the trucks of trucks that carry ferry sand. We normally have a lot of sand in this place. And the other interesting thing with this place, there are people who come and idle around this place. And I don't know what they normally do, but there is a lot of drawing, artistic drawing here. Let me show you some of it. I don't know what it means. Down here, if you come from Joska, you've never come down here. These are some of the artistic drawing that are here. Yeah, so yeah, so this is it. The ATHI. It's looking beautiful and nice. Yeah. here you are. So let me use this particular area. So I will encourage people to come and visit, just to look at this river when it is not flooded, when it is not that season of rains. Yeah, when it is not raining, when it's not that season. Don't come here when it is flooded. The water will ferry you, the water will carry you to the other side. I feel like I need to go to the other side. I'm not sure whether I'm able to get a place to step in. But friends, you can see the repairs. You can see the repairs here. So these are the reinforcements that were done. Just showing you the final part of this. They did a good job. They did reinforce. Quite amazing. Yeah. They reinforced this place. So this is ATHI River, the bridge itself, the lower parts, and how they were able to do this job, just to reinforce this particular bridge. Yeah, I think it looks very strong. It looks strong. So that means in the next rainy season, this bridge will be very firm. It will be very, very firm. Yeah. It will be very, very firm. So friend, thank you for coming. Thank you so much for the opportunity for me to be able to show you this particular bridge, and the way they have done this reinforcement. As you can see, they did a very good job. You can be able to see what they were able to do. So they did it from here place to this other place. So kindly remember to subscribe, like, share this particular video. You can be able to see how they did a very good job. So thank you for always coming in. I really appreciate your very much support, and this was just an update about the bridge of ATHI River, and you've seen the repairs that were done, which were quite amazing and quite good. So see you in my next one, and remember to subscribe, follow, share and like, so that we can be able to grow this particular channel and make it more better. And remember, I'll keep you updated every time there is that opportunity. Yeah, so I'm signing off from ATHI, Joska. Yes, I'm really here. Yeah, and thank you guys for always coming in. Much appreciation. We'll see you in my next one. Cheers guys.